STINT, an immersive STEM internship program for teachers. In recent years, educators and policymakers have been trying to improve education in science, technology, engineering and mathematics, or STEM. These efforts include programs offering teachers hands-on experience in STEM workplaces so that they can understand how the industry works and design relevant classroom activities. The rationale behind these programs is that many teachers never experience STEM workplaces, which may limit their ability to bring real-world context into STEM education in the classroom. In a new study, Ailish McLaughlin, Deirdre Butler and Mairead Hurley at Dublin City University examined the effectiveness of 3 workplace-based learning experiences for teachers, a UK-based initiative offering pre-service teachers a 5-day placement in manufacturing facilities, and 2 US-based programs, one of which sends in-service teachers to engineering companies, and the other offering 7 to 8 week placements in both industry and academia. The researchers found that all 3 programs positively impacted participating teachers, strengthening their STEM competency and enhancing their understanding of the STEM workforce. They outline recommendations for the design and implementation of immersive learning placements in industry to support the professional training of STEM teachers. They emphasise that placements should foster a common understanding of STEM education between teachers, universities and industries, help teachers to contextualise STEM and its role in society, spark reflection among both interns and companies to assess the programme's impact on both education and industry, create sustainable partnerships aimed at supporting STEM learning among 4 to 18-year-olds. These recommendations are evident in the STINT programme, which was established by McLaughlin and Butler in 2016 to provide immersive STEM learning experiences for pre-service primary and secondary teachers through a 12-week paid internship in a STEM role in industry. This placement-based programme is designed to innovate STEM education by facilitating collaboration between educators, companies and researchers. STINT placements are mutually beneficial as they enable teachers to gain an understanding of STEM workplaces which they can leverage to design meaningful real-world learning experiences for their students. This offers students insights into the problems tackled by STEM professionals and may inspire them to pursue STEM careers. So far, the STINT programme has achieved very promising results. For example, over 90% of participating teachers felt that it had boosted their confidence in designing STEM learning experiences and advising students about STEM careers. The globally unique STINT programme facilitates teachers, universities and industry to work together to enable profound changes in STEM education and careers.
Thank you.